Welcome back to my channel, guys. My channel is Code with Tomi. This is another video on the Python tutorial series for beginners on my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about comments in Python. Comments in Python means removing a code, a line of code or a block of code from a program, but not completely deleting it. Let me give an example. Let's cancel all this. Let's say we have a code that prints hi guys, and we have another code that prints welcome to my channel, and we have another code that prints please subscribe. We have these three lines of code. Now when we print this, obviously to give us hi guys, welcome to my channel, please subscribe. Let's scroll down here and see it says hi guys, welcome to my channel, please subscribe. That's what it prints. Now if we want to comment a code out, it will remove that comment from the program is running, but it's not completely deleting that line. To code a comment or to write a comment in Python, we just put the hashtag, we just put the hash symbol. It will remove this code from this block of program. Now when we run it, it won't run this code, it won't see this code as part of the program again. See, it prints only hi guys and welcome to my channel. It didn't print please subscribe, but please subscribe. It didn't print that because we've commented it out. That's what comment does. If we put another hash here and put another hash here, it won't give us anything again. See, let me kill this terminal and then run it again. It won't give us anything again because there is to the program there is no code in this program again, because we've commented all the codes out. Now this is very useful. Let's say you want to test some things, you are still troubleshooting your code or debugging your code. It will be very useful because you might not want to delete a whole block of code. You can just comment it out so that you can easily return it later. You can just delete this back, and delete this back. When you run it, it sees those code back. That's completely what comment is about. Just commenting it as if it's a comment. Normally comment is for, let's say we have this, we can just write a comment and say the code below says please subscribe. This comment, I can do this now so that if anybody look at my code, you will understand what I wrote below that comment. But comment is very useful when you want to remove a block of code. You can just do this. That's what comment is for. I hope you understood that. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for this video. Please subscribe, please smash the like button, and if you have any question, please drop in the comment. I'll answer all questions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.